you can see it in your mind, then it's already yours. The power's deep inside you, open up the doors. Don't let the doubt creep in, don't let it take control. You're stronger than you know, you're brave and bold. Every dream you hold, every goal you set is within your reach, don't you forget. The world is yours to conquer, the skies to explore. Take a step, believe, and soar. If you can dream it, you can do it, nothing's too far. You're a shining light, you're a shooting star. All you need is faith and the will to try. Rise up, reach out, touch the sky. The road may get rough, the climb might be steep, but every single challenge is a promise you'll keep. To yourself, to your heart, to the fire inside. Keep pushing forward, don't let it hide. Every mountain tall, every ocean wide is within your power, just take the ride. You've got what it takes, you've got what you need. The strength, the courage, the heart to succeed. If you can dream it, you can do it, nothing's too far. You're a shining light, you're a shooting star. All you need is faith and the will to try. Rise up, reach out, touch the sky. You are stronger than you think, braver than you know. Let your spirit fly, let your passion show. There's nothing in this world that you cannot achieve. Just hold on tight and believe. If you can dream it, you can do it, nothing's too far. You're a shining light, you're a shooting star. All you need is faith and the will to try. Rise up, reach out, touch the sky. So dream big, stand tall, and nothing stand in your way. You've got the power within, now go seize the day. If you can dream it, you can do it, and that's the truth. You've got the strength inside, the fire of youth.